Are you washing your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, you washed your hands, huh?
I did.
You did it? Good job. Yeah, jump. Oh, big girl. You want to jump again? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, such a big girl. You want an orange?
Orange.
Or an apple?
Orange.
You want an orange?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go get an orange. Where are they at? Show Mommy where they're at. Come on. Show Mommy. Open it. Open it. Go ahead, turn the knob. Yes, Miss Queen. Show Mommy where the orange is. Oh. About time to make some banana bread. You want an orange or an apple? Which one? Which one's the orange? All right. Then, ladies and gentlemen, it shall be the orange. Oh. You gonna grab me a fork? Oh, never mind. You're gonna grab me a knife. That works. Well, it is a butter knife. Yeah. All right. Go ahead and go in there. Watch your cartoons, and Mommy will go ahead and get your orange.
Don't turn that shit over to me.